So I have this one the rest of the way fit together. I'm gonna go ahead and start welding. I'm gonna do all my spot welds.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like up in the morning, I'm already on.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a GMC Yukon here. Got hit good in the back here. And this comes in 4 separate pieces. As I pull this out, it should let this relax. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna weld these seams. So I have this one the rest of the way fit together. I'm gonna go ahead and start welding. I'm gonna do all my spot welds, and then I also have some MIG welds to do back here. And I also have to do some spot welding underneath here on the bottom of this. So I'm gonna get this welded together the rest of the way. Before I start spot welding, I'm gonna do a test weld on these coupons to make sure this is working correctly. And then what I do is a destructive test. I'm gonna lock these vice grips on here. And you wanna make sure it tears out correctly. So if you look here, you can see how it pulled through the metal there. That means we had good penetration and it welded good. So I am good to go. Well, I just about have this one wrapped up. This back end is ready for paint. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna knock out this quarter panel repair, get this fixed up and primed up, Then I will send this one to the paint shop.